Hello children, welcome back to the art class. Today we are going to start page number 40, patterns activity. Patterns means nothing but a different lines. For example, here they as they shown a slant line, curve line, circles, like these lines. Children, where you saw these types of line? Got the idea? Yes. These lines they are using in the tribal art also. Yes. First children take the pencil and practice here. If you will practice here, you can draw easily in this image as they showed. Okay. First practice with the pencil here like this roughly. Free hand you have to draw without using the scale like this. Practice here. If you will practice here, you can draw easily in that image like this. You have to practice. I don't want perfect shape. Okay, draw roughly like this. Small dots you have to draw in the middle. Here big circle again in middle, small circles you have to draw. Please don't use the scale. Draw fast. If you will draw here, you can draw easily on the right side page because of the practice. See, now for draw here in this image, use the sketch pen because already you practice here on the left page. Now follow this image children to draw this pattern. Okay, see here first which line is there? Curve line. Slowly draw in this image like this only in the all here boxes or shape. See like this you have to draw the patterns. Children, you can use different patterns also. No need to compulsory copy this only. You can create your own patterns. Free hand you have to draw. See, I am using here different pattern. Here it is not there in this image. Like this you can create your own pattern. Here in this diamond shape is not there. This type of small curve line is not there. Like this you can add your own patterns also. Like this you have to complete these patterns. Now take the color pencils and any color you can choose children. No need to give compulsory these colors only. You can choose your own colors and overlap on this. See, like this. Slowly and fill the bright colors in this. See, like this. Use your pencil shading like this only. When you will use the pencil, use in one direction only. See children, like this you have to overlap on the black sketch pen. Slowly and neatly you have to fill. Your color you should not go to supposed to out of the line. And don't repeat the same color here, here and here. Like this you should not repeat. Okay. See here I used blue, here, then here. Like this you have to repeat this color. In one direction only use the pencil. Children, please choose 6 or 7 colors only, not more than 6 and 7 colors. Carefully fill the colors. Now see, this pattern activity is ready. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you.